Bazi, often called Four Pillars of Destiny, is an ancient Chinese system. It analyzes destiny and personality. Unlike Western astrology, which focuses on the sun sign, Bazi uses 8 characters, which represent the year, month, day, and hour of birth. This system is deeply rooted in Chinese metaphysics and cosmology, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all things. Bazi charts, unlike Western zodiac horoscopes, are not just predictions, they are blueprints of an individual's potential. This system emphasizes understanding one's strengths and weaknesses, providing insights into potential challenges and opportunities. Bazi is a tool for self-cultivation and navigating life's journey. It is not a fortune-telling system, but rather a sophisticated method for understanding life patterns. By understanding the interactions of the 5 elements and yin-yang principles, Bazi offers insights. These insights help individuals make informed decisions. Ultimately, Bazi emphasizes taking control of one's destiny. Qi, the vital force. This ancient concept has been revered and studied for centuries. Qi, often translated as life force or energy flow, is central to Bazi. It is the essence that permeates every aspect of existence, from the smallest atom to the vast cosmos. It represents the vital force animating the universe and all living things. This energy is what connects us to the world around us, influencing our health, emotions, and destiny. In Bazi, the 8 characters of a person's birth time interact. These characters are derived from the year, month, day, and hour of birth, each holding significant meaning. This interaction creates a unique Qi pattern, unique to each individual, shaping their life's journey. This pattern reflects an individual's personality, strengths, and potential challenges. It provides insights into their innate abilities and areas where they may face obstacles. Just as the seasons change, so too does the flow of Qi, adapting to the cycles of nature. Bazi analyzes these changes through the interactions of the 5 elements, each playing a crucial role in the balance of Qi. The 5 elements are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each element has unique characteristics and relationships with others. Understanding these interactions can reveal much about a person's life path and potential. Qi manifests differently in each person. This manifestation leads to a wide range of personality types and life paths. By embracing the wisdom of Qi, one can achieve balance, harmony, and a deeper connection to the universe. The 10 heavenly stems and 12 earthly branches, pillars of destiny. These ancient concepts form the backbone of Chinese metaphysics and astrology. The 8 characters in a Bazi chart comprise 2 sets of symbols, the 10 heavenly stems and the 12 earthly branches. These symbols are based on one's birth date and time. Each stem and branch represents a unique combination of yin or yang energy and one of the 5 elements, each carrying distinct attributes and influences. The balance or imbalance of these elements can significantly impact one's destiny and fortune. The 10 heavenly stems symbolize different forms of Qi and their manifestations. These stems relate to personality traits. For instance, someone with a strong presence of the stem Jia wood might exhibit leadership qualities and a pioneering spirit. The 12 earthly branches are represented by animals of the Chinese zodiac, depicting the cyclical nature of time. The combination of stems and branches in a Bazi chart creates a complex interplay of elements and energies. This intricate web of interactions forms a unique blueprint for each individual, forming the foundation for understanding one's destiny. By decoding this blueprint, one can gain insights into their life's path. Each pillar provides insight into different aspects of life, such as relationships, career, and health. By carefully analyzing these pillars, Bazi practitioners can offer guidance and support. They help individuals understand their inherent qualities and how to harness them effectively. This guidance helps individuals navigate the complexities of life and achieve their full potential. With the wisdom of Bazi, one can make informed decisions and align with their true destiny. Bazi has been deeply intertwined with Chinese culture for centuries. It's been influential in various aspects, particularly in Imperial Feng Shui. This practice uses Bazi principles to design and harmonize living spaces. This practice aligns with the occupant's destinies and maximizes positive qi flow. During Imperial China, Bazi played a crucial role in significant decisions. Emperors consulted Bazi masters for advice on matters of state. These matters included choosing auspicious dates for ceremonies, battles, and even selecting consorts. The Forbidden City, the historical heart of Chinese power, was designed using Bazi and Feng Shui principles to enhance the emperor's authority and ensure dynastic prosperity. Bazi's influence extended beyond the imperial court. People from all walks of life used its insights to make important decisions. These decisions ranged from choosing marriage partners to selecting auspicious dates for business ventures. Bazi's enduring presence in Chinese culture reflects its ability to provide valuable insights. These insights help individuals navigate life's complexities and strive for harmony and success. Bazi has a rich history, evolving over centuries to become the sophisticated system used today. Its origins can be traced back to the Han Dynasty, which spanned from 206 BC to 220 AD. During this period, scholars developed the foundations of the system, including the concepts of yin-yang and the five elements. During the Tang Dynasty from 618 to 907 AD, Bazi underwent significant development. Master Li Shudong, a prominent scholar, refined the system. He introduced the concept of the 10 gods. This concept uses the interactions of the stems and branches to reveal specific life aspects. This period marked a turning point for Bazi, solidifying its status as a comprehensive system for destiny analysis. Over the following centuries, Bazi continued to evolve. Numerous masters and scholars added layers of interpretation and analysis techniques. During the Ming and Qing dynasties, Bazi flourished. It became an integral part of Chinese culture, influencing everything from personal decisions to imperial policies. Despite its ancient roots, Bazi remains remarkably relevant in the modern world. This ancient Chinese metaphysical science, which dates back thousands of years, continues to offer profound insights into the human experience. Its insights into personality, relationships, and life cycles continue to resonate with individuals seeking meaning and purpose. By analyzing the intricate interplay energies, Bazi provides a unique lens through which we can view our lives. As people face increasing complexities in their lives, Bazi offers a framework for understanding such challenges. It helps individuals navigate through personal and professional dilemmas by offering clarity and perspective. This fusion of ancient wisdom and modern thought enriches the practice, making it more adaptable to today's fast-paced world. This integration makes the ancient wisdom of Bazi more accessible and relevant to a contemporary audience. Online platforms and resources have also made Bazi more accessible, allowing individuals worldwide to explore its insights and apply them to their lives. Bazi's enduring appeal lies in its ability to provide guidance and empowerment. It reminds individuals that they are not merely passive recipients of fate, but active participants in shaping their destinies. In a world often characterized by uncertainty and rapid change, Bazi offers a timeless compass for navigating life's journey and achieving meaningful existence. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support at Astro Grotto. Thanks for watching. See you soon.